This is part 2 of the storage fireworks. I don't know if I reviewed these last time. I just immediately made this video right after the other one. Giant sparklers. Next thing is caramel fountain from the Dollar Tree. World class fountain world class cone fountain number 3. Number 2. Yeah, 3. Next thing is just a bunch of sparklers, different kinds. Lightning flash. Those strobe things. Smoke ball. I think that's purple. Next is just I guess I'll go through these. I'll make another video where I go through this stuff. I guess I'll call that part 3. Next is just some little rocket fountains. Wish these were real bottle rockets, because I guess these would be pretty good if they were. That's the end of this video. So yeah, I'll make another video on those little stuff.